Road Atlanta Michelin Raceway. Superbikes 2025. AMA Moto America. Gonna go down and do a track walk and check it all out. Come back when I get down close to the paddock. This is one steep ascent. I've done it on a bicycle up and down. It's a tough one, man. If you can pedal up this on something besides a mountain bike, you're in some shape. There's the paddock. Best part about the paddock, one of the best parts.
You know, if I have fun and I trust myself, I know where I'm going. And I don't have to worry about that, and I can just...
It's the Michelin Raceway Tower. Sweet. VP making power, baby. Ashton Yates' pits. That's Lucky Yates right there in the Honda gear. He's the top dog in the pits for Ashton. Team Saddleman Racing. Kyle Wyman Racing's pit.
And I think by mid-season I want to be pretty close to them to where we can fight
KWR. Jake the Snake Lewis's ride. Pretty sweet. There's his Hooligan's ride. Hayden Gillum's bagger. Rocco's bagger. And Rocco's Super Sport bike. Or stock 1000 bike, excuse me. That's the one I like. That's a bad mother humper. Team Indian Motorcycles. I ride a 2014 Street Glide. Enough said. Matthew Skoltz's pits. Let's see if he's around. Hayden Gillum's ride. This is Gillum's paddock. Warhorse Racing Ducati's pits. Check that bad boy out. No fairings on, get a nice little view. Tune up on this one. I might like Indian motorcycles after all. The baggers have brought a whole new audience to the scene. We're on a quest for the pisser. We found it. Shake and bake. Sweet looking ride.
Big fellas like me aren't very competitive on the motorcycle. Really? We hold 260.
This one's getting some extensive work. Not so much on this side. exhaust. No wonder they're so loud. We're going to end this pit walk video at Jones Honda, home of Ashton Yates, number 27. Later.